So I recently picked up this retractable cord reel, and today I'm gonna do a quick install here in my garage, and I'm also gonna show you all the features about this. First of all, this does come with a 30-foot long extension cord, but the lead cord's gonna be 4 feet long. And you guys can mount this on the ceiling or the wall, and today we're gonna be doing the wall. So let's quickly go over what comes in the box. So we're gonna get the actual wall mount or ceiling mount right here. Get all of the hardware that we're gonna need, just some screws, a small mount here, and then the locking pin. Here is the actual reel, and we get a quick user guide right there, and you can see exactly where it's gonna mount up to the wall mount. So we do get one of these stoppers right here, which is cool, but what I love about this one is that it comes with 3 outlets already on the end. The spring feels really powerful as well, so I don't think there'll be any issues with this retracting. Let's go ahead and start finding a stud to mount this up to. All right, so I'm gonna assume we have a stud where we have these lines. So we could use that stud right there, and that'll probably be our best choice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark exactly where the studs are gonna be. Now that I know where the studs are, I'm just going to put a screw straight through. So now I'm gonna take the level and just make sure that it's close, and it's actually pretty good right now. So from there, we're gonna make sure that this is pointing down. We're just going to slide this in. All right, so once it's in place, we're gonna take this little ring and we're gonna thread it through the hole in the bottom of this pin. All right, so it should look something like this. You guys could fold it all the way against the wall or do that. Also, on the plug here, we do get a reset button, which is pretty cool, and it's just a normal 3-prong. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this plugged in, and then I'll show you me retracting this and actually using it. Now let's go ahead and test it out. I did want to show you guys something kind of cool. If you guys look right there, we have a light that's telling us that it does have power. So this thing is super long and it locks. Now once I give it another pull, let's see how it retracts. And that spring is super powerful. All right, so this time let's see what it does on its own. And that thing has a lot of power to it. I would definitely help guide it into the actual reel. So anyways, if you guys are looking for a retractable power cord for your garage or just workbench, this is a really cool one to look into. It was super simple to set up as well. And that's gonna be it for my really quick review and demo.